StudyIQ में आपका स्वागत है। कई बार देखा जाता है कि हमें या तो एग्जामिनेशन से पहले या कोई इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो हम स्टार्ट करने वाले होते हैं तो कई सारे लोग हमें गुड लक कहते हैं। आज के इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के माध्यम से हम देखेंगे लर्निंग इंग्लिश इन लेस देन 10 मिनट्स में किस प्रकार से किन नाना प्रकारों से हम लोग दूसरों को गुड लक विश कर सकते हैं, बेस्ट विशेस दे सकते हैं, बेस्ट ऑफ लक कह सकते हैं। स्टार्टिंग ऑन विद द फर्स्ट वेरी सिंपल एंड ईजी वे, all the best for your exam or best of luck for this new project. So all the best and best of luck ये बहुत ही commonly used phrases हैं जब आप किसी को good luck wish करना चाहते हैं। एक और innovative तरीका जिसके थ्रू आप किसी को wish कर सकते हैं that is remember when you're famous. Remember me when you're famous. मुझे याद रखिएगा जब आप famous हो जाएंगे, आप उनको motivate करना चाह रहे हैं, उनका उत्साह बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं and you're giving them wishes. So please don't forget me and remember me when you're famous. आप इस प्रकार से भी उन्हें good luck wish कर सकते हैं। Believe in yourself and make it happen. Again, आप इस particular जब आप best wishes दे रहे होते हैं, आप किसी को motivate करना चाहते हैं, उन्हें प्रोत्साहित करना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए एक और तरीका उनको encourage करने का, motivate करने का, inspire करने का हो सकता है believe in yourself. You got to believe in yourself, Raghav, and make it happen. So इस प्रकार से भी आप उन्हें wishes दे सकते हैं। I hope things will turn out fine. I sincerely hope for you that things will turn out fine. You don't have to worry. So don't worry. I hope things will turn out fine for you. Or I hope things will turn out fine for you. Wishing you all the best. आप simply कह सकते हैं wishing you all the very best for this new project. Wishing you all the very best on this particular occasion. So wishing you all the best. Wishing you lots of luck. Wishing you loads of luck. Wishing you oodles of luck. आप colloquially इसे किसी भी तरह से use कर सकते हैं, or you can simply say wishing you lots of luck. Wishing you lots of luck. You're going to be amazing. You're going to be amazing. I'm sure. I have no doubt. Don't worry at all. You are going to be amazing, or you're going to be. So you are की जगह हम कह सकते हैं you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be amazing. That's another way. You were made for this. You don't have to worry at all. You were made for this. You were made for this, and I'm sure you're going to be super successful. You were made for this. You'll do great. You'll do fantastic. I'm sure you'll do really well. You'll do great. आप simply कह सकते हैं you'll do great. There's no need to worry. All the best to you. All the best to you. My sincere wishes are with you. All the very best to you. Simply, all the very best to you. I hope it goes well. I genuinely hope it goes out well. And don't stress too much about today's exam because I'm sure and I hope it goes down well. Have a blast. Have a blast. अगर कोई नई job शुरू कर रहा है या कोई important project है, you can always say have a blast. I'm sure you're going to be having a blast when you go for this first official trip. I wish you luck. I wish you luck. That's another way to wish someone. Best wishes, इसका प्रयोग हम यूजुअली रिटन इंग्लिश में करते हैं, लेकिन आप सिंपली colloquial इंग्लिश में भी किसी को विश कर सकते हैं by saying best wishes. Many blessings to you. Best wishes, many blessings to you. That's another way. You can also say knock them down. Knock them down. अगर कोई proper competition के लिए जा रहा है, so you can always advise them and tell them knock them down. Just knock your opponents down. I'm sure you're going to be fantastic. May luck be in your favor and crush your opponents. Luck should be in your favor. Luck जो है वो आपके favor में ही हो. So may luck be in your favor and crush your opponents. And crush your opponents. Blow them away. Again, अगर कोई competition के लिए जा रहा है और अगर आप उन्हें wishes दे रहे हैं, you can also use the phrase blow them away. Just blow them away. Just crush your opponents. एक और idiom जिसका प्रयोग आप कर सकते हैं that is break a leg. You want to wish someone luck, break a leg. Luck आप wish कर रहे हैं. You can simply use this phrase break a leg, break a leg. I'm pretty confident that you will do well. I'm pretty confident कि आप बहुत अच्छा करेंगे. I'm pretty confident that you will do well. Hope you do well. Hope everything will be all right. Hope you do very well. And I really hope that everything will be all right. May all your efforts yield positive outcome और may all your efforts yield a positive outcome. आपने जितनी मेहनत करी है उससे आपको सिर्फ सफलता मिलनी चाहिए. मेरी ये आपके लिए wish है, आकांक्षा है. So may all your efforts yield a positive outcome. Win big time. अगर आप motivate कर रहे हैं, you can simply say win big time. I want you to win big time. Go forth and conquer. Go forth and conquer. Take home the crown. This is very encouraging. Just go forth and conquer and take home the crown. Just take home the crown. You don't have to worry. You're meant for the crown. You shall take the crown. May the force be with you. जो force है, strength है, everything should be with you. May the force be with you. May the blessings be with you. So may the force be with you. Just mesmerize them. अगर कोई meeting के लिए जा रहे हैं, presentation के लिए जा रहे हैं, then you can also offer an interview. You can always say mesmerize them, and I'm sure you're going to be very good. Prayers be with you. My prayers, my sincere prayers, मेरी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं. Come back a legend. Come back a legend. That means, again, very similar, that don't forget me when you're famous. So come back a legend. Come back a legend. Let me know how it went. Knock on wood. Let me know how it went. Knock on wood. Knock on wood भी एक तरीका है किसी को luck wish करने का. Have fun storming the castle. ये एक phrase है जिसका अर्थ होता है कि आप best of luck कर रहे हैं किसी को. Have fun storming the castle. Bring home the trophy. Bring home the trophy. May the good Lord bless you amply. May the good Lord, or may Lord Almighty bless you amply and be with you always. Hang in there. It's all gonna be all right. Just hang in there. Don't worry. Don't stress. It's all gonna be all right. There's no need to worry because it's all gonna be all right. यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने important तरीके देखे English phrases का प्रयोग करके किस प्रकार से आप किसी को good luck wish कर सकते हैं, best of luck wish कर सकते हैं. You can ensure कि आप उन्हें encourage कर रहे हैं, motivate कर रहे हैं before they go for an important event, interview. Comment section में आप mention कर सकते हैं कि किस प्रकार कौन सा फ्रेज आप प्रयोग करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम किसी और को गुड लक विश करने में. एंड इट शुडंट बी बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड गुड लक ओनली बट अदर फ्रेजेस दैट वी लर्न्ड टुडे. आप मुझसे इंस्टाग्राम पे जुड़ सकते हैं नीरजा रहेजा के नाम से. एंड इन केस ऑफ एनी डाउट्स यू कैन मेंशन दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन.